Hiding veggies in your toddler's bolognese is the old way to deal with picky eating. I understand why you did it. You love your little one and you know that veggies are good for them. And that's so great that you care so much and want your child to get the benefit of good nutrition. But let me ask you, does hiding their veggies make them any less fussy? Or do you have to hide their veggies again next time? Hiding veggies doesn't treat fussy eating, it just prolongs it. And you don't want to be still hiding veggies in their food when they're 18, do you? Research shows us that the best way to reduce fussy eating and broaden your little one's range of foods is to expose them regularly to the foods that we want them to eat. So when we hide veggies in their bolognese or other foods, we're unintentionally exacerbating the problem. So next time you're making spag bol, what are you going to do? Prolong their fussiness or help them take the first step of familiarisation with vegetables? Now, we've helped hundreds of children improve their fussy eating. To learn more about how we can help, please contact us. We'd love to help you.